Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix double tap to wake screen problem on Realme mobile. Friends, you have double tap to wake screen problem setting. So how to fix double tap to wake screen and turn off screen on Realme mobile. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. So first of all guys, if you're in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. As you can see, when I double tap on my Realme phone screen guys, my phone screen is on automatic and I double tap to off screen. So how to fix this problem today guys, I am going to show you in this video. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting, how to fix this problem. Friends, you can fix from your tool setting guys. Click on this Realme phone tool setting. After on tool setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on second option gestures. Friends, now you can see this type of interface. So friends, click on screen of gestures. And friends, you can see double tap to wake screen guy. We will click here. So we will tap here guys. This setting will not work on Realme mobile. Friends, you can see your problem has solved. Friends, double tap. Screen will not on, screen will not off. So you will have to use your power off button. So like that you can fix this problem on your Realme phone. And friends, you can fix from your home screen and lock screen setting also guys. Click here and friends scroll it. Friends, you can see double tap is on, so you will have to only off. Friends, your problem will solve. So friends, we cannot on our Realme phone screen with double tap. So like that we can fix this problem on Realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Friends, to even doubt related to your home and lock screen setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.